So Bulldogs on the Move is an opportunity for members of my fraternity as well as other people on campus to give back to the community that serves them, essentially through helping out local Starkville students who may have disabilities.
Basically, it's a recess for the students with disabilities. They kind of get out of the classroom, come to Mississippi State, meet some new people, have a good time, just kind of get away from everything that's going on.
Bulldogs on the Move occurs every Friday at the Joe Frank Sanderson Center at noon and lasts for an hour.